today we have a special wig to try on. I received this wig from Luvme Hair. It was requested by one of my subscribers, and if you're watching this video, girl, thank you for hooking me up. And I'm not gonna ramble too long. I'm excited, I know you're excited, so let's go ahead and get into the details of this wig. Okay, so starting off, I do have my wig cap already on. Here is the packaging. I have not opened it up yet. I'm super excited about this one. Now, this wig was actually recommended to me by one of you ladies. Thank you so much for pointing this wig out to me. If it had not been for you, girl, I would not have even known about this wig, so thank you very much. All right, let me show you everything that comes inside the box. Here is the wig. Super cute. I love the color already. We'll get into the wig details in a moment. I also included a custom edge brush, a custom hair clip. There's a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in. There's also a box label in case you decide to store the wig inside the box. We have a custom rat tail comb and a set of HD wig caps. Now let's get into the details of this wig. Here she is. This wig comes with a 5x4 lace closure. Here's what it looks like on the inside. We do have two combs in the front. There is one comb in the back. It does come with adjustable straps. It also comes with an attached adjustable elastic band. Here's what the lace looks like up close. Now, there is an option on the website to order this wig with the lace pre-cut. As you can see, this wig did not come with pre-cut lace. I will go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'm going to try on the wig. So before I tint the lace, because I know I am going to have to, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I absolutely love the color. Now the lace is looking really ashy, so we're definitely gonna have to fix that. I'll be using my favorite lace tint spray, this one from Kiss in the color dark brown. I love this lace tint spray. It is peach scented, it's quick drying, it's amazing. If you're interested in a really good lace tint spray, this one from Kiss, I'll have it linked down below and on my Amazon storefront. All right, so now that that's done, let's go ahead and try the wig on again. Should look a lot better this time. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Look at the lace. And I'm currently not wearing any makeup. Look at how that is blending into my skin. So I am using the combs in this wig to keep it secure and to make sure that it's glueless. This is a glueless wig, but you do of course have the option of gluing your wig down if that helps you feel more secure. Now I have tightened the elastic band and adjusted these straps in the back. I'm also using all three combs and the wig is pretty snug and secure. All right, now I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll come right back and share with you my final thoughts on this wig. All right, I'm back and I have my makeup done. The curls are brushed out. If you're interested in learning how I did this makeup look, I did record a tutorial and it should be available right up here. So if you're interested in checking that out, then go ahead and click that link. But let's get back to this wig. Girl, what I tell you? This wig is giving me life. This is the perfect blonde wig. If you've never tried blonde hair before, I highly recommend trying an ash blonde wig. It's not the same as a platinum blonde or a 613. It's gonna be toned. As you can see, it has more brown sort of earthiness to it. Sorry, my son is back there singing his little heart out. What was I saying? Yeah, ash blonde is the perfect blonde if you are new to trying blonde hair. It's really the perfect in between to a 27, which is a honey blonde, and a 613. It's like a perfect in the middle. This wig is of course glueless. I pretty much only wear glueless wigs, and it does come with a lace closure. I believe it's a 4x4. So even though it comes pre-parted down the middle, you can of course part it over on the sides. This wig does come in multiple length options. This wig I believe is in a 24-inch. I don't remember exactly. I'll put the correct length right up here so you guys know exactly what it is. And again, I did mention before, there is an option on the website when you order it. You can have it come with the lace already cut. I did cut the lace kind of janky, but I still think it looks pretty good. And if you have any trouble with cutting the lace, I highly recommend just go ahead and pay the extra. I think it's $5. Have them cut the lace and it's going to come perfectly. The wig fits very snug, and I did redirect some of the curls here in the front so that they frame my face a little bit better. I think they were all curled towards this way, but for my face I prefer the curls that way. So I did recurl the front. It curls very easily, and this is human hair, so you can also straighten it. You can curl it however you want to curl it, and because it's a blonde wig, if you get tired of the ash blonde, you can actually color the wig and it'll color pretty easily because it's already blonde. I was getting a little bit of shedding from this wig, but the shedding has stopped, so that may have been from when I cut the lace. There was some hairs that I might have cut that were coming out whenever I brush, but for the most part it's not shedding anymore. And I love the volume on this wig. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm not sure what the density is. I believe it's 150%, but it feels very voluminous, very full. And if you didn't know, I love big hair, okay? Don't give me no thin wig. I love big hair, and that's exactly what that is. The color is amazing. The lace is amazing. Oh, let me mention, on screen and on the website, the roots may look dark brown or maybe even black. I'm not sure if it picks up on camera, but I'll go ahead and tell you from what I see, the roots are not very dark. The roots are kind of like a number 4, almost a number 30. If you know hair colors, then you know what I'm talking about. It's not necessarily a dark brown, it's almost a light brown. It's like an in-between, a light brunette, if you will. So if that's something that you are concerned about, then maybe not get it. The roots are not super dark. I actually love it because it makes it look more natural, I would say. Maybe not natural as in it looks like my hair, but natural as in it blends in well with the ash blonde. Sometimes a really, really dark root with platinum hair can look like too much of a contrast. This hair color has a really good blend with the dark brown roots going into the ash blonde. This wig does not come specifically with the C-shaped ear cutout tabs, but I do notice that the way that it is constructed over here on the side is actually pretty comfortable to wear. It's not exactly a C shape, but somehow fits over my ears comfortably. But I love this wig. If you are interested in purchasing it and trying it out for yourself, I will have the direct link and all of the information down in the description box below right here. Make sure you click that more button. Also, if you decide to purchase this wig or any wig with Luvme Hair, we do have our own custom coupon code. It'll be right here on the screen. If you use this coupon code at checkout, you will save 28% off of your total order. And yes, this is an affiliate code. Anytime you make a purchase from Luvme Hair using our special code, you receive a commission. It is one of the ways that I'm able to continue making exceptional content for you. And it's also a small way for you to help support this community. And on that note, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you are not. Liking this video not only lets me know that you enjoyed it, but it also lets YouTube know that this is a great video to push out to other women so that they can get the opportunity to see it as well. And if you all are enjoying these wig videos, comment the phrase wig girly down below. Lets me know to keep making content like this for you all to enjoy. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, especially all the way through to the end. I love you. I appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.